Kia ora guys, Chrissy back again, and we're going to get into the next episode of Chainsaw Man.
Like, comment, and subscribe, please.
So last time we had the episode Rescue. After going up against the Bat Devil, Denji was now up against the Leech Devil. And after their huge fight, Aki comes along to put an end to it with his own Fox Devil, which was pretty awesome. After they report back to Makima, she then sends Power to go and live with them, which is hilarious. And so far, I mean, should be a terrible roommate, don't get me wrong, but it's been funny for me. Probably not so much for them. However, she is going to hold to her end of the bargain with Denji and allow him to appreciate her assets. Let's get into this next episode. If you'd like to see the full-length reaction to this episode, as well as others in the series and other shows, then you can go to my Patreon. The link will be down in the description below. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. Just like, commenting, subscribing to my channel, any of that will help as well. Okay, let's get into it. You're not really going to do it, are you? You are. Oh, he did. Was it everything you hoped for? Aww. Oh, they're not the handful you were hoping for? What? He doesn't look that happy? Or is he just surprised? Oh, it's not everything you hoped for. They weren't, like I said, they weren't the handful you hoped for. Oh God. It's nice for the guys to think big boobs are good. Have a care for what the women think, alright? They ain't fun. Let me just tell you that. Well, they can be, but they're annoying. It is still awake. Goodness gracious. I don't know if he's sad or not.
Denji-kun, 何か悩みでもあるの?
俺はずっと追いかけていたもんをやっと掴んだんです。でもいざ掴んでみるとそんなもんは
It wasn't everything you hoped for.
俺が思っていたよりこれから俺がまた何か違うもんを追いかけて掴んだ時も追いかけてた頃の方が幸せだったって思うんじゃね。
That is usually the case.
初めて胸を揉んでみたら大したことなかったって話です。
Makima. Oh, goodness.
エッチなことはね、相手のことを理解すればするほど気持ちよくなれると。
That's exactly what I was thinking. Well, that's exactly what I said earlier as well.
最初は手をじっくり観察してみて。指の長さはどれくらい？手のひらは冷たい？耳の形は？指を噛まれたことはある？覚えて。デンジ君の目が見えなくなっても。
You're gonna make him explode, Makima.
覚えて。
She's a dangerous little vixen. I like it.
覚えました。
Oh. That's the reaction that I was expecting. Oh, honey, please. You gotta kill this boy.
デンジ君。 お願いがあるんだけど。
Fuck, she's a cock tease.
倒してほしいの。
Yeah, oh, the gun devil. Yes, that's right.
13年前、米国に出現して、今も
Even I need a break from that.
もしもデンジ君が10の悪魔を殺せたら、私が君の願い事、何でも一つ叶えてあげる。
Keep it in your pants, mate.
なんでもって、例えば
何でもだよ、
Apparently not.
デンジ君。
なことあってもいいんですか？
んなことあってもいいくらい強くて悪い悪魔なの。悪魔対策に世界中が銃で儲けようとしてた時期に、銃を使った事件や内戦が増えたんだ。アメリカで銃を使った大きなテロが起こったの。その日に銃の悪魔が現れた。
That's supposed to be. Nah, it's only one tower.
外でキャッチボールしてよ。
太陽の具合が良くないんだ。一人でできる遊びをしなさい。
お兄ちゃんなんだから我慢して一人で遊び。
Resentment.
僕、お兄ちゃんと遊びたい。
Oh, good. I'm glad. Whew. I could see how that could turn into, you know, like I said, resentment.
うざい。ついてくんなよ。俺は一人で遊べるんだ。バカ、やめろって言ってるだろ。
Careful.
冷て。
You know, if he gets sick, you're going to get blamed for it.
キャッチボールなら手冷たくならないだろ。家からグローブ取ってこい。
だいたい5分弱で120万人を殺した後、
Holy
銃の悪魔は今日まで姿を消している。
Christ, that came out of nowhere.
銃の悪魔を少しでも弱くするために、銃所持の基本厳罰化、
Oh,
事
man.
件災害などの報道が規制されるようになった。デンジ君なら倒せると思う？
俺がすっげえドカンと頑張れば大丈夫いでしょ。
He's going to get his ass kicked.
これは集めた銃の悪魔の肉片。移動速度が速すぎて体が少し焦げ落ちたみ
Oh,
たい。
wow.
悪魔がこの肉片を食べると、銃の悪魔の力でどんな悪魔でも力を増すの。この肉片がある程度の大きさになれば、元の体の場所に戻ろうとするみたい。
So that's what they meant in the last episode by there wasn't a piece of the gun devil in it. Okay.
食べたのか食べさせたのか。
どっちでもやることは同じです。悪魔は全部殺す。その先に奴がいる。
Oh my god, that was him? I didn't even bloody put those two together.
ホテル内部で悪魔の目撃。ホテルの宿泊者の生存不明。
Can't believe it. I hope there were other people out there that didn't get that either, or I'd be really embarrassed.
公安大麻得意4課、6人を出動させます。
このホテル内のどこかに潜んでいる。それもこれはただの悪魔じゃない。
いいのそれ、わしによこせ。
お前ら敬語はどうした？
何の得もねえのに誰がてめえに敬語使うかよ。
Is it gum?
先輩。
やり
He's tamed them pretty well so far.
そいつらに背中任せて大丈夫なんですか？片方は魔人で、もう片方はチンピラ。
悪魔駆除には基本この2人を先行させる。逃げたり悪魔に寝返った場合は俺たちが殺す。
Always straight back to that.
こいつめっちゃキレてんじゃん。朝のあれのせいだな。
あのいたずらはさすがにまずかったな。
あれはいたずらレベルじゃねえ。殺すぞ。
今回の悪魔を倒した人にはなんと私がほっぺにキスしてあげま
Crikey.
ーす。
そんなことはやめてください。
ご褒美あった方がやる気出るでしょね。
Oh, dude, you'll just take it from anyone, won't you? No?
キスは俺もいいや。大丈夫。やる気はあっから。
That is gross, Denji.
その人のために肉片だかなんだかを集めてよ。銃の悪魔をぶっ殺すまでキスはしね
え。He knows who too.
エッチなことは理解し合った人間同士でするから気持ちがいい。
Good for you, Denji.
前も知らねえあんたの唇には興味ないね。
へえ。デンジ君が悪魔を倒したらベロ入れたキスしてあげる。
Oh my god, he turned, didn't he?
男の子からうのが一番面白いや。
What about power?
血が飲みたい。
She loves blood.
アキ君はこの新人4人生き残れると思う？
こいつは強いなと思ったやつもそうでないやつも
答えになってないな。アキ君は死なないでね。
Okay. So they've had others that didn't make it or went private? They like became private hunters?
姫野、お前の新しいバディだ。ブレーダーが少しは使えるように育てた。
Just like that. She burying her old partners?
私のバディ、君で6人目。全員死んでるの。使えない雑魚だから全員死んだ。アキ君は死なないでね。アキ君、来る。
It's a hand and a foot. A hand and a foot head.
捕まえた。
Oh. Power. I love you, Power.
悪魔めわしにビビって浮き合ったわ。
違う違う、私の力。
なんじゃ
It's like telekinesis.
の悪魔と契約してるの。
Oh.
私の右目を食べさせた代わりにゴース
Ah, because they have to offer a piece of themselves. Feed them, basically.
ト。どうアキ君、銃野郎の肉片はある？
強い反応はなし。こいつじゃないですね。
Where's the rest of it? Does it have a rest of it?
さっきみたいにわしの前で己の力をペラペラ喋ってよいのか？
力を知ってた方が連携取れやすいでしょ。それに切り札は隠してるから、オッケーオッケー。
じゃあわしがこいつを殺すと言ったらどうする？
Aww.
触れない。
That hurt our power.
お前たちまだ悪魔が潜んでるんだぞ。もう少し静かに。
Oh. What?
俺たち今8階から9階へ行く階段を登りましたよね。
They're like kind of going in circles.
決めた。ステーキにして食ってやるわ。
ステーキ。俺ステーキ食ってみて。
新井君、今階段降りていったよね。
Oh god. She gonna be one of those characters that are like just super scared until something happens and they become a badass. I hope so. So this end bit here, I'm guessing that they're caught in some kind of, you know, time space thing because they seem to be just going around the same floor even when they go up or down. So the creature or the devil or whoever that has this meat, this gun devil meat in it, this must be who they're looking for. Even though the devil that they just fought, whatever it was, fiend, whatever it is that they just fought, creepy. I mean, killed very easily, obviously, but a head with a foot and a hand. Who comes up with this stuff? I'm disappointed in you, Denji, because I really thought you'd had a breakthrough. As hilarious as it was, you went back pretty suddenly after you were offered tongue. You were broken very easily. But Makima, she made me uncomfortable. Like, not in a bad way, but just that whole scene with her and Denji, as sensual as it was and the point that she was trying to get across, I just did not expect that kind of thing in this show, for this show. It's just not something, unless like an anime that I watch is tagged with romance. I don't think of romance in anything. I don't know if it's going to be a romance, but it's a good motivator to get to get Denji moving. Though it probably is going to get him into a bit of trouble. But I really liked it. I mean, I love power. I love Denji. The backstory with who ended up being Aki. Can't believe I got told. I just didn't realize who that was at all. But that I don't know what it was. To me, it was just like the gust of wind. I mean, is that what it was, or was it someone going so fast? Apparently, the gun devil was so fast. Was it like someone just like this gun devil just like running and just like took out this thing? I don't know. I don't know if that's what they were alluding to. It just looked like a blast of wind just took out this whole house. Oh my god. Well, 1.2 million or something that died at that time. It's a fucking huge death toll. But yeah, I really liked it, and I can't wait to learn more about the gun devil. And I guess, so who's going to win this little bet? And she's not going to give anyone no tongue. It's not going to happen. But yeah, we're going to leave it there for today. Thank you for joining with me. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time for more Chainsaw Man. See ya.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.